If your testosterone feels low and your first thought is, I guess I need TRT, because a lot of men don't actually have a testosterone problem. They have a sleep problem, a stress problem, and a diet inflammation problem. And those can crush testosterone fast. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact four natural levers that raise testosterone the most: food, training, sleep, and stress. And I'm also going to tell you when natural methods won't be enough, especially if you're over 40.
Is there a way to naturally boost testosterone level without any pharmaceutical or any medical intervention? Great question. So it depends on how old you are. So let's be real. So if you're like under 40, then you can probably increase your testosterone level naturally. If you're under 40 years old, because your testicles can still make good testosterone. If you're under 40 and you are pretty healthy, you don't have diabetes, you don't have high blood pressure, you don't have high cholesterol, I assume. You can increase your testosterone by following the Mediterranean diet. You follow the Mediterranean diet, it's an anti-inflammatory diet, and that will increase your testosterone. If you exercise more of high intensity, it's called HIIT, high intensity interval exercise, that build more muscle. And when you build more muscle, testosterone will increase, okay? Because muscle needs testosterone. And when you build more muscle, you're sending message to your body, you need more testosterone. Number two is sleep. Sleep 7 hours, 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. Because when you sleep is when your testicles make more testosterone. And that happens between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. If you don't sleep, your body's not gonna have a time to heal and more testosterone. So when you don't sleep, you're compromising your body ability to heal. That's why if you don't sleep at nighttime, you feel tired the next morning. You don't have the same energy. You just feel tired. So sleep is important. And I would tell you this is also stress management. When you have stress, you have high cortisol. When you have high cortisol, which is a stress hormone, that decreases testosterone. So cortisol up, testosterone down. Cortisol is released when you have stress. And how do you know you have stress? Most men don't realize they have stress, but most men actually stress, but they don't know that. How do you know you have stress? Oftentimes, it's increasing your heart rate. You wear an Apple Watch, you'll notice that your heart rate increased. And also, you have Apple Watch, the more of the newer version, you'll see a change in your heart rate variance. So you have an increase in heart rate variance. It's heart rate and then variance, then you have more stress. But stress is a physiological response that your body responds to. Now, hundreds of thousands of years ago, or when we were made, the stress response protect us, because when we have stress, heart rate goes up, our body release more epinephrine, is to get away from danger, to get away from dinosaur, get away from a dangerous environment. But it's a short term and it's helpful. But stress is not good when it's not short term, it lasts for months on end instead of just a day or just a few hours. It lasts for months. When it lasts for months, then it starts affecting your heart, and then it start producing imbalance in your hormones. And that's why stress is not good for your body. And when you have stress, testosterone level decrease. Okay? So I have seen my patient with low testosterone come in with testosterone level of like 300, and I've seen him change his diet to be less carb, less processed food, and eat more of lean meat like salmon, chicken, more vegetables, and fruit. I literally will see his testosterone level almost double from 300 to like 600. Appears fairly quickly within like 6 weeks or so. Fairly quick. So within 6 weeks, you can actually see improvement as well. We see that in the blood work. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. So those are the things that you can do on your own, and you really do not need a supplement if you eat a healthy diet. Honestly, supplement do help some, but we've been a species for millions of years, and 50,000 years ago, you don't need a supplement to increase your testosterone. Why do we need it now? As long as you eat a healthy diet, you should be able to increase your testosterone. So those are the things that mainly increase testosterone. Porn decreases testosterone, okay? But I precede that with saying, well, if you're under 40, now, if you're over 40, you just don't make enough testosterone as you get older. It's almost like a factory. Testosterone is made in your testicles, so the factory is just not as efficient as it was when it was first made. So for men after the age of 35, testosterone production dropped 1%. Now, 1% is not a lot. Let's say you're 60, and so that means it dropped 25%. Well, it dropped 25%, but then if you account for, like, if he's at diabetes or he's overweight, diabetes is inflammatory, being overweight is inflammatory. Anything that's inflammatory will decrease testosterone as well. Then if you're 60, you have 25% less production. Then on top of that, if you had the other medical condition, like I mentioned, like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes, that's gonna make it dip down lower. So testosterone is very sensitive to other medical condition. And so if you're over 40, and you probably gonna need a testosterone supplementation, meaning additional testosterone either through injection or pellet implant, or even now an oral testosterone, or even testosterone gel. Now, I have seen testosterone gel work well in applying to the testicles better than on the arm. So if you're over 40 and you have other medical conditions, you may want to consider taking testosterone supplementation, such as testosterone injection. That's what I mean, testosterone injection, testosterone pellets, and testosterone oral. And you can check my YouTube channel. If you guys are watching this and you're not subscribing to my YouTube channel at Dr. Ann Truong, I would have really appreciated if you do. That would mean the world to me if you do.
So here's the simple truth. If you're under 40 and reasonably healthy, you can often raise testosterone naturally by fixing inflammation, building muscle, protecting sleep, and lowering cortisol. If you're over 40, or you've got diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or significant weight gain, natural changes still help, but you may also need a medical evaluation for total testosterone, free testosterone, and SHBG.
Okay, modern men, you are not alone, and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.